All right, good morning, everybody. Today is going to be Thursday, June 2nd. So, briefly, once again, as always, let's put up the symbols. If you're looking at my chart, you understand exactly what we're trading this morning. If you take a look at the upper right-hand corner of your screen, we have the ES, which is going to be the E-mini S&P. RTY is going to be your mini Russell. YM is going to be your mini Dow, and NQ is going to be your mini NASDAQ. Also be looking at gold, which is GC, SI for silver, CL for crude, and NG for natural gas. And also we'll be watching some Bitcoin, which is BTC. We'll be using the Einstein formula for that. For the indices and currencies, basically what Einstein allows us to do, it provides us with price level projections. It will provide us with an entry, a profit target, and or reversal. And then, of course, with the currencies, we'll be using one of 5 of the different core patterns. Those trades are traded a little bit differently in the sense that we don't hold the trade more than 4 to 5 minutes on the currencies. Whereas with the indices and the commodities, we do look to either hit target and or reversal. And there is no time limit on those. Okay, we are starting to get a short right now on the ES and NQ. That's going to be your US Tech and your ES. Once again, it already hit target, so it's moving way too fast. You can't get in. NQ's already hitting target. Well, I'll give you target. NQ's on its way to target. Once again, if you're watching us on YouTube and Facebook, keep in mind there is a delay. It's like a 20-second delay or so when it's rebroadcast through YouTube and Facebook. Do not suggest you try to make any of these trades. This is for demonstrational purposes only. Our approach is different in the sense that we use something that I discovered over 30 years ago. They're called behavioral patterns. No, they're not chart. They are not your typical chart patterns. They're not candlestick patterns. We don't use any indicators. We're not looking at support and resistance. This is totally different. Our entries are going to be totally different than what everybody else is using. And the method has proven to be profitable over the last 40 years. Okay, so target on NQ is going to bring us down to 125.32 and a half. That is going to be our profit target. And if we need to reverse on the mini NASDAQ, it is going to be 126.45. That would be the reversal point. So when a target is hit, you will get a notification, verbal notification. Okay, short natural gas. Natural gas is getting a short. Natural gas target is going to bring us down to 88.95, 88.95. And the reversal, if we don't hit target, is going to be 90.45. And if we do hit profit target, you will hear this sound. Profit target hit. We are still short. We went short natural gas, still short the mini NASDAQ. Profit target hit. Okay, NASDAQ did hit its profit target. So a couple very, very quick trades right out of the gate. Was short on the ES hit target, short on the NQ, which is your mini NASDAQ hit target, and now we are short natural gas, looking for a target of 88.95. Getting a buy on the gold, getting a buy on gold. Target on gold's going to bring us up to 1864. 1864. That is going to be our profit target. And if we don't hit profit target, we need to reverse. We're going to reverse at 1855. 1855. Okay, short natural gas, long gold. RTY is giving us a short. YM is giving us a short. That is going to be your small cap short, and also your mini Dow going short. Target on RTY is going to bring us down to, let's see here, 1849. 1849 is our profit target. And reversal is going to be 1864 if we don't hit target. All right, looking at the mini Dow, target on mini Dow. Profit target is going to be 327.63. And if we don't hit target, first we will reverse at 329.13. Okay, let's see here. We are getting a buy on the US yen. Buy on the US yen. It's going to be a 69 buy on the US yen. $129.69. So we got a buy on the US yen, We have a buy in gold. Still short our natural gas. And we are still short. We are still short the mini Dow and the mini Russell. Natural gas is approaching target.
Profit target hit.
Target hit on natural gas. Still on gold. Gold approaching target. Wow. There we go.
Target hit.
Gold just hit target. Okay, still short RTY, still short YM. Waiting to either hit target or reverse and take a buy position. US yen exited with a profit. Nice trade on US yen. Do have a short on the euro. Do have a short on the Aussie. Aussie short is going to be 72.21. Don't see much premium out there. Let's take a look at euro. Euro looks better at 03. 0703 short. Premium in the 30s right now. 35, 36. So short Euro US 0703, 1.0703. This is gonna be one of 5 of the patterns for core. We call this a PAP short, PAP short. PAP is the name of one of the 5 different patterns that we trade with core. All right, much better premium on the Aussie right now, which is a short at 72.21. 72.21. So we've got an Aussie short going on right now. We have a short Euro US. Still short. We are still short the mini Russell and the mini Dow. Possible HF2 buy coming up on natural gas. Gonna be watching for that. Okay, we're out of the Aussie US. It was a loss on Aussie US. Also a loss on the Euro US. Still short still short the mini Russell and the mini Dow. HF2 buy going on natural gas. Okay, that buy on the gas is going to be anything below 89.95. Target on natural gas is going to bring us up to 90.45. That is going to be our profit target, 90.45. Reversal is going to be 88.95. So if we don't hit target and we hit reversal point, we will reverse and go short. All right. Let's see. You know, Ken, I'm reading your question here. Man, I don't remember what time. I have no idea what time that was yesterday. It's hard enough for me to keep up with calling these out in the morning. Once again, don't suggest you try to even trade more than one of these. It's almost impossible to keep up with more than two of them at the most. With your trading indices, just stick with one, maybe one industry, one commodity. My favorite's going to be the mini Russell, gold, and natural gas. Those are really my three favorite. And I do like the ES as well, the E-mini S&P. But in terms of the time, man, honestly, I don't remember. And on NQ, there was a lot of different types of trades on NQ. We've had HF1s, HF2s, HF3s. We've had standard pairings. We have an HF2 short going on RTY right now. We have an, let's see here. We have an HF3 going on short on the mini Dow. And you got an HF2 buy on natural gas. All right, so for overnight trades, once again, overnight trades, we put them on the night before, we let them expire the following day, which would be today. Coming along on everything, coming along on the E-mini S&P, mini Russell, mini Dow, mini NASDAQ. At this point, we're still green, but anything can happen here between now and the end of the day, but we are coming in green. So we are seeing a up bias in all the indices. Expecting to see a higher opening on the Dow at this point. Okay, Dow's gonna open here in less than 3 minutes. Coming in short on the mini Dow and the mini Russell. We do have a long going on right now in natural gas. All right, less than a minute to go before the Dow opens up. I am expecting a slightly higher opening. We'll see. Coming in short on the mini Russell and on the mini Dow. Okay, Dow's up 43. Pretty quiet opening. Okay, we're still short the mini Dow, still short RTY, which is your mini Russell. Long natural gas. All right, looks like mini Dow hit target. So that leaves us short RTY. Long natural gas. All right, pretty quiet right now. We're just short. We're still short the RTY. Still have a short. I'm sorry, got a buy going on natural gas. Nothing on the currencies. No setups in gold. No setups in silver. Okay, we're getting a buy on the U.S. yen. The U.S. yen 129.71, 129.71 for a buy. Still holding long natural gas. And Mini Russell still short. Getting a buy on ES. Getting a buy now on ES, which is going to be your E-mini S&P. Target on ES is going to bring us up to 41.97, 4197. 40.97. And if we need to reverse, we're going to reverse at 40.78.5. So we have a buy set up right now on the U.S. yen. That is long. We are long natural gas. And on a mini Russell, we are short. And we are long ES, which is the S&P 500. NQ is getting a buy. Your mini NASDAQ is getting a buy. Target on that is going to bring us up to 125.70. That is going to be the profit target. And if we don't hit profit target and we need to reverse, we're going to reverse at 124.57.5. Long ES, long mini NASDAQ, still short RTY. RTY may be going into reversal at 1864. Out of the US yen, that was a win. If anybody's trading Bitcoin, getting a buy in Bitcoin right now, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's in a buy. Target on Bitcoin 3,400. 3,400 is going to be your profit target. And if you don't hit target on Bitcoin, it's going to reverse 292.75. Watching RTY. RTY setting up for a nice HF1 buy if we reverse, which is going to be your mini Russell. All right, still along natural gas. Long mini
Reverse buy.
NASDAQ. Okay, RTY just reversed and went long. Still long ES, still long NQ. Long RTY. Let's get a target on RTY. This is an HF1. I do like these HF1 buys. Target's going to bring us up to 1869.
Profit target hit.
If we need to reverse on RTY, we're going to reverse at 1854. Let's see here. So we have the mini NASDAQ did hit its profit target. So reversed and went long on RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. Still long ES. Still long natural gas. Bitcoin is in a buy. No setups on the currencies.
reverse sell,
Okay, it looks like ES reversing going short.
reverse sell,
Everything's reversing on natural gas. Reversed on RTY. All right, let's get target on ES. All right, target on ES is going to bring me down now to 4072. 4072. That is going to be my profit target now. 4072. And if I need to reverse, it's going to be at 4091. RTY. Target on RTY is going to bring me down to 1849. 1849. So that's my profit target, 1849. If I need to reverse, I'm going to reverse at 1864. Okay, now we're short ES. Reversed and went short on the mini Russell. Reversed and went short on natural gas. Give you a target on natural gas. Target on natural gas is going to bring me down to 88.45, 88.45. That is going to be my profit target, 88.45. And if I need to reverse, it's going to be 89.95. All right, so we're coming up to the top of the hour. Once again, those on YouTube and Facebook, thank you for joining me this morning. If you have any questions, just go to my, you can go to my YouTube channel, plenty of educational videos out there, or come to my website, binaryprostrategies.com, and that is a good way to ask me any questions you may have. I do answer all my emails personally. So if you have any questions about Einstein or my core package or even crystal ball, feel free to ask. Shoot me those questions. Always glad to answer those questions. And that's going to be it today for the live show. Once again, everybody, thank you for joining us. Once again, make sure that you subscribe. And also give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. I do have a new video coming out here shortly. We're going to do a recap for where we are for the year on our overnight trades. Those trades we put on the night before. and we just let them expire the following day. You can also scalp if you want, but the way I personally trade is I just, once I put it on, it's a set and forget type trade, and I just let them expire. So we'll go over those results for the year so far, for the first 5 months of the year. And everybody have a good trading day, and hopefully we'll see you first thing in the morning. Take care.